EJ, can you show us how you eat now? EJ's 15 months and he just had an appointment. What are you doing? And all of a sudden, today EJ decided that he only wants to feed himself and we're not allowed to touch the spoon. EJ, you gonna eat?
Yum, yum.
Show us how you eat. Good job.
Yay! 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 Keep eating. That'll help. That'll help one bite. Don't drop your spoon.
EJ might be left-handed. Good job.
Yay!
He gets like about a drop in every other bite.
Gotta stick it back in.
No, don't put your hands in there.
Don't put your hands in. Let me see. You want this spoon? You want me to do 2 spoons?
Wow.
Whoa.
You can eat like chopsticks. Mmm.
It's pretty funny that it did start today.
And let's see what happens when Mama tries to help you with the spoon. Can Mama help? Here, Mama's gonna help, okay? Mama's gonna help. Mom's gonna help. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Dad'll do it with him. Do it with his spoon.
Can you try?
The spoon that's in his hand.
Let's try this one.
Try and do it with him. Oh.
Good job, mister. You gonna do that spoon too? That'll do this spoon. Which spoon you want?
Say, look, everybody, I can be myself. But just a little bit.
I'll just a couple of these.
Mmm. Good job. No, he doesn't need those.
It's a couple. It's supposed to help him chew, right?